Today we're giving you an update on our high trail package that we developed last year on the 2019 General 1000. The aim of the high trail package was to always give us a luxury off-roader by offering a premium cab and improved off-road capability with a lift kit and oversized tires. For 2020, we moved the high trail package to the brand new General XP platform. This helps us shortcut some of the upgrades that we had to make last year for improved off-road capability. We have 30-inch tires from the factory, which helps boost ground clearance, and Polaris has already upgraded the clutch, so there's nothing you have to worry about in the future to limit belt wear or improve clutch engagement. We do also have a wider stance with a longer travel suspension. So with the wider stance, we end up with more stability at higher speeds, and the long travel suspension gives us a better ride. Lastly, the A-arms are already high clearance from the factory, so they do have an arc to them, which gives you more usable ground clearance under the car, and you're less likely to strike a rock and bend an A-arm. When it comes to the premium cab, we've kept pretty much everything the same from last year, outside of a few small changes. On the windshield, we've gone with the tip-out style windshield from Polaris. This gives us a more rigid mount for the windshield, so less vibration and more stability with the windshield wiper added. Does also allow us to vent it, so if you're running this vehicle in the summer or even just warmer weather with the doors on, you can get some additional ventilation in the cab. On the doors, which we have reviewed in a previous video, we did go with a bed liner on the exterior. We're hoping that this will help with the exterior appearance as well as offer a little bit more resilience against scratching and damage. We've made some nice improvements on the interior of the vehicle, first of which is the audio system. Polaris now offers Rockford Fosgate audio components straight from the factory. This model, we did the Rockford Fosgate Stage 4 system, which gives you 2 speakers up front, the ride command as your head unit, and 2 overhead speakers for the rear passengers. It does also come with a 10-inch subwoofer and integrated amp that mounts underneath the dash, but in order to add the heating system to this, we did have to remove the subwoofer and relocate the amp. We may be looking in the future to relocate that subwoofer to reintegrate it with the audio system and mount it underneath either the driver's seat or the passenger seat where there's currently empty storage space. Also on the interior, we've gone with the new LED multifunction dome lights available from Polaris. These offer a couple different functions. So you have 4 different colors to choose from. You have white, you have red, blue, and green depending on the lighting situation you're looking for. They're also removable and battery operated, so you can use them as a flashlight around the vehicle. Another change we've made for this year is the lighting package. Gone is the 32-inch rigid bar that was roof mounted on last year's model. Instead, we went with a more cost-effective, more functional package with just the factory LED lights that are standard for all 2020 models and a new 10-inch bar from Rigid. This still has the combo optics, so you have short range and far range throw. We found is the 32-inch bar was actually very overpowering, and if you were riding in convoy, you were blinding everybody in front of you, especially if they had a rear view mirror or a front windshield installed. For those who night ride, we've also added some additional accent lights. Last year's model, we did the 4 rock lights in all 4 corners. That gave you some extra lighting on the ground when you're trail riding, and also just stopped, give you some usable light around the vehicle. For more of an accent, more of an aesthetic upgrade, we added 3 additional lights to the front. We have 1 in each grille on the hood and also 1 in the front grille. This gives it a super aggressive look at night, especially with the new accent LED headlights. Something that's completely new are these LED light pods that we've added to the rear. These give you additional work lighting for if you're working in the bed at night or when you're reversing. They also do work very well in conjunction with our high mount rear camera. What we found last year is, although the rear camera does have infrared, it does have a short range. So when we were backing up, it didn't light much past the tailgate, which was all but useless. With these lights in place with their flood capability, it allows that camera to actually stay in full color, full picture for better visibility when you're backing up. Lastly, talking about the high mount camera. This is something that we came up with last year. It does use an out of the catalog kit straight from Polaris. It's for the previous generation Razor models when you wanted to add a rear camera to the ride command. It comes with the metal mount needed to install it up high, as well as enough wiring to be able to run it along the roof, down the cage, and under the bed, where it can plug in where the regular camera for the ride command system would install. We've left the standard camera low mounted in the back here, just unplugged and non-functional. That way, if any future buyers want to convert back to the low mount camera, all they have to do is unplug one, plug the other in its place. We offer this high trail package in a number of variations depending on the budget you're looking to stay within. We do also have a number of equipment groups for the General, including the Cold Front package and our Rally package. If you have any questions, hit the comments below, and if you'd like more information on this model and our other Generals, visit our website, millersmotorsports.com. If you'd like to see our future videos, please like and subscribe. This has been Ernie with Miller's Motorsports. Thank you for watching.